Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all having a fantastic Sunday. And my goodness gracious, if you are home and you want to do this deal, this is a really fantastic one to do. We have currently 2 stacking promotions on the Walgreens toilet paper and paper towel. I believe this is very similar to Angel Soft, and the paper towel is actually pretty good rolls. So I have been using this product for some time. It's fantastic, and we have 2 stacking offers. Now, for many of you that are curious as to why I'm not in the store shopping this morning, we currently have a really bad ice storm, and our road is actually closed, but we do have a generator that's I'm able to put this video online. So we're able to power part of the house just for a little bit. So hopefully the power comes back later today so we can just rock and roll some deals later this week. I might be a bit delayed, but this deal you can do if you're able to put in an order and you're not in the ice region. And I think it's like altogether about 300,000 homes that are affected. So be safe out there. If you're affected by these ice storms, obviously you won't be able to put an order in. But if you are in a different part of the US, this deal is for you. Okay, so for this deal, you're going to get it as a curbside, meaning you're ordering it through the Walgreens app on a cell phone, desktop computer, or tablet, hitting the box on the left-hand side with the green check and ordering it. And we're going to look at various deals, making a larger basket and a smaller one. This first one is for the larger basket. And when they are going to pull this, it's unknown. So put your order in ASAP. This is a monthly coupon, which is $1.50 off of one. It's going to apply to all of them. And it's actually a Walgreens coupon because if you look at it, see how it says My Walgreens coupon? It's a store coupon. So for this basket, we're going to put seven paper products in your cart. So I'm going with 4 of these paper towels, and I've used this paper towel in the past. It's fine. And you get quite a bit of paper towel, so I'm happy with that, especially if you have a lot of pets. And then we're going to also throw in 3 of these toilet papers. So 7 altogether. If you wanted to get like 7 toilet papers or get a different amount than what I have, by all means, make it happen. And obviously, a lot of us are trying to stock up on paper products right now. So, put in whatever increments you wish for this, or whatever, if you want more toilet paper or paper towel. And then just to show you, see where promo codes and coupons, WAG20 is still working from last week, along with that $1.50 off of one, so $10.50 coming off. So that right there, guys, is some significant savings. And if you look, our overall total is $35. $15.40 coming off, free curbside pickup, a little bit of tax. So the total here is $20.78. If you wish to use $20 in Walgreens cash, if you might have it, use it and pay 78 cents. I wanted to desperately put in this order this morning, but I believe my Walgreens is closed, and then the other one about 20 minutes away is also closed. So they're not accepting any orders, and it's just the way that it is, and it'll just keep popping up an error. If you're in an ice rain area or if there's a big storm in your area, you won't be able to add anything to a cart. And for my baskets, what I did was I used a Northern Texas zip. That's how I was able to throw everything in a cart. So sneaky. That's how I was able to see that this is actually working. For my next basket, it's a much smaller one. So what I did here was I threw in 4 of the toilet papers, and this is very comparable to Angel Soft. And then the code WAG20 is taking $2.80 off, and then that $1.50 digital is taking an additional $6 off. So that right there, guys, is $8.80. And this is what we love when we're stocking up on really cheap paper with this stacking deal. So the overall total is $20, $8.80 melting off, free and 92 cents of tax. If you might have $10 in Walgreens cash, use it and pay $2.12 and call this a very good deal for 4 beautiful things of toilet paper. Okay, be safe out there, guys. And as the day progresses, if the power comes on a little later, I'll throw something on Instagram. But hopefully everything is rocking and rolling and we're back to business tomorrow. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.